Your kitchen, your way.
Hey guys, welcome to Your Kitchen Your Way. In this video, I'm going to be making minestrone soup, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. Let's get to it. So the first time that I had this dish was actually at Olive Garden. I thought, wow, this is a very good dish. It was so filled with vegetable. It was not too heavy. It was flavorful, but I wanted to make it on my own, and I'm going to show you how it went. To start off, we're going to need some zucchini and some chicken broth. You can use vegetable stock if you like. Next, we're going to need some green beans, and I have here some herbs, which is some parsley, some thyme, and some bay leaves. You don't have to use the green beans if you don't want. We have some Parmesan cheese to top off the soup at the end, and some white beans. Next, we're going to need some celery as well as some bite-sized carrots. Next, I use some diced onions, some minced garlic, and this is my pasta of choice. You can use whatever small shaped pasta you like. I also use some diced tomatoes with its juices. I used Swiss chard for my green. You can use spinach if you prefer. This is some oregano and some pepper flakes, and this is my spice of choice. You can use whatever spices that you prefer. In a pot, I'm going to add in some oil. Add in my carrots, my celery, as well as my onions. I'm going to saute this for about 5 minutes until they're translucent. Once everything has become nice and soft, I will add in my zucchini, along with my chili flake and my oregano and my garlic, and I'm going to give this all a good mix. And now I will season this with some salt and pepper. Don't forget, if you're enjoying my video, to like and subscribe. Once everything is well combined, I'm going to add in my diced tomatoes. I'm going to give it a good mix and let this come to a boil. Once everything has come to a boil, I'm going to add in my chicken broth. Next, in goes the green beans as well as the white beans. And now it's time to add in the herbs, the thyme, the parsley, and as well as the bay leaves. After I give this all a mix to bring everything together and it comes to a boil, I'm going to cover and cook for 15 minutes. After about 15 minutes, I'm going to add my cooked pasta. I didn't cook it thoroughly, I cooked it halfway, and I add my Swiss chard. This is where you add your spinach if you choose. And I'm going to cover this and cook for another 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, my Swiss chard have cooked down. If you're not happy with the amount of broth is in this, you can always add some more vegetable stock or chicken broth, whatever you're adding. And this is also when you taste everything. If everything's okay, I added some seasoning in there because I needed it, but I'm okay with the consistency of this soup. And this is it. This was very quick and very hearty and very fulfilling and very yummy. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching, and remember, if you're enjoying my video, don't forget to like and subscribe.